everybody! Today I'm gonna open LovEvery and let me show you. They have paint sticks of all of the colors of the rainbow except purple. This puzzle. Oh, okay, so here's my sink. I mostly like doing it like this for fun. Oh, here is the plate. Silly me, it was just behind the washing. When you first put it inside this hole over here, first you just flat it out like this. Open the petals and then you open the leaves like this. Something red and blue. So this is only the colors. So I have red, blue, green. The green kind of looks like watermelon. Yeah. Give me more, Mom.
Rainbow, and this one's the rainbow, and this one. Today I want to show you just put reds.
Just put reds, orange, and just yellows, and just greens, and just blue. But I wanted to do rainbows, so I'm going to show you how can you do a rainbow on all of them.